the automotive purgatory, where brand new cars go to die. Somewhere in the American Southwest, there are fields so vast they can be seen from space, and they are packed with thousands upon thousands of brand new vehicles. These cars have no license plates and no owners. They simply sit under the scorching sun, losing value by the hour. It is a spectacle of industrial failure. The automotive industry has spent decades ensuring you do not understand this process. Because if you did, you would walk into every dealership with a level of power that would make a salesman weep. The industry does not build cars based on what people actually want to buy. They build based on projections and dealer forecasts, which are essentially educated guesses that are frequently and catastrophically wrong. We must discuss a metric called days of supply. A healthy market maintains about 60 days of inventory. Currently, some models are sitting at 200, 300, or even 400 days. Every day a car sits on a lot, the dealer pays floor plan interest, a loan to stock that vehicle that can cost up to $55 a day. A car that has languished for 300 days has already cost the dealer $16,500 in interest alone before they have made a single dollar in profit. This is a hidden financial pressure that drives those desperate discounts you see in red letters. It isn't generosity. It is emergency financial triage. The manufacturer would rather give you $5,000 today than let that car age into the next phase of its miserable existence. When the discount spiral fails, the manufacturers dump the inventory into rental fleets like Hertz or Avis. They sell these units at a controlled loss, often 20% below retail, just to clean the books. This is why a certified pre-owned car with 18,000 miles is so cheap. It likely spent its first 6 months being driven by strangers on vacation. If that doesn't work, the cars go to the auction circuit, where the manufacturer absorbs a guaranteed loss of up to 25% below invoice. In truly desperate cases, they even export these unwanted sedans to the Middle East or Southeast Asia just to make the domestic sales reports look healthier than they actually are. In the most extreme scenarios, they have been known to crush brand new electric vehicles into scrap metal rather than admit they cannot sell them. It is the industry's most wasteful secret. You can use this broken system to your advantage if you are smart enough to look up the days of supply before you leave your house. If a car has been sitting for over 120 days, you are in total control. Demand the invoice price, not the MSRP, and negotiate downward. Aim for $3,000 to $8,000 in savings. Timing is also critical. The model year changeover from July through October is when the pressure on dealers reaches a fever pitch. However, you must be careful. On many vehicles, the warranty clock starts the moment the car enters the dealer's inventory. If it sat for 9 months, you have already lost 9 months of coverage. Always check the VIN history to ensure they haven't pre-titled the car to themselves, which legally makes it a used vehicle even if it has 0 miles. Do not be outgunned by a person in a cheap suit. Understand the machinery of the inventory cycle and take your money back. Please subscribe so you'll be notified of new uploads. Press the like button. It helps our algorithm. Thanks for watching.